Contact those who have submitted an RSVP of yes to your event on ExperienceBU. From the Manage end, go to your organization tools and select Events. Then select the event you would like to contact RSVP respondents for. Click the Invitations and RSVPs button. Then, select Manage Participants and Contact Respondents. Click the blue plus sign icon. Draft your message to those who submitted an RSVP of yes. Your message can include items to bring to the event, reminders about the event, or updates to any of the event details. Once you select Send, a message will be sent to those who submitted an RSVP of yes. Depending on the user's notification settings, they will either receive the message through ExperienceBU or receive the message by email to their Brock email account. If you have any questions about this tutorial, email experiencebU@brocku.ca.